My name is Name, and today, let's talk about the latest developments regarding Parkland Fuel Corp. and its Burnaby Refinery. The Calgary-based fuel retailer and convenience store operator has been the subject of a campaign by U.S.-based activist investor, nJoin Capital LP, which owns a 2% stake in the company. It argued that Parkland should consider selling or spinning off its Burnaby Refinery in order to become a pure-play fuel marketer and retailer. Well, Parkland's CEO had other ideas. On Thursday, Bob Espy said the company has completed a detailed review of strategic alternatives for the Burnaby Refinery, and the conclusion was that a sale was not in the cards. Instead, Parkland intends to retain ownership of the refinery, citing reasons such as maximizing shareholder value and keeping fuel supply to the British Columbia region. The Burnaby Refinery, which refines 55,000 barrels of crude and synthetic oil into various fuels and products, was purchased by Parkland from Chevron Canada for $1.5 billion back in 2017. The refinery supplies about a third of the gasoline sold on BC's Lower Mainland and Vancouver Island, while the remaining gasoline is imported from the United States or Edmonton. Aside from the blocking of nJoin Capital's attempt at selling the refinery, Parkland Fuel Corp. released its quarterly earnings on Wednesday, reporting that it earned $77 million in the first quarter of 2023, up 40% from a year earlier. Sales and operating revenue for the quarter ended March 31 were also reported to be $8.2 billion, an increase of 7.2% from the exact same period in 2022. Parkland Fuel Corp. Shareholders were also called to cast in a vote for the company's approach to executive compensation, which ultimately resulted in a 91% vote of approval. Furthermore, Parkland's slate of nominees to the board of directors, including 24-year tenured chair Jim Pantelidis, was approved by a vote of over 90%. For now, it looks as though Parkland Fuel Corp. is not going to be sold or spun off, and all signs point to them retaining their ownership in their Burnaby refinery. But I will keep you posted if that ever changes.